Hello everybody, hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Google Drive notifications aren't working in any of your Android device. So to fix this problem, you have to follow the steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if Google Drive notifications aren't working.